Hey guys, welcome to my channel Linux King. My name is Salman Francis and today I'm back with part 8 of our RHCE 8 studies, and today we are going to take a look at what are tags in Ansible. And as always, I have created some simple nodes and machines which we are going to use today is our controller node, Dragon. Then we will have our web servers nodes, our hosts Raptor and T-Rex over here. And also we will be using our Draco, the DB. So let's start. Okay, what are tags in Ansible? In Ansible, tags are used to run a specific part of a long playbook. In other words, we can separately run specific tasks for specific hosts rather than running the playbook for all the hosts. So it's very simple. Let's say if you have a long playbook with a lot of hosts mentioned and lots of tasks, what you can do is you can run specific tasks and you don't have to run playbook for all the hosts. So this is tags will be are really helpful. You will see in this demo. And for this demo, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a file, and it's called tags.yml. So without further ado, let's start. I'm going to go into my Dragon machine, and for the simplicity, I have already created our tags. So vim tags.yml. You can see it's showing you what it's going to do. This playbook, it's testing tags in Ansible. The hosts are web servers. Become true means we want to become power users when we are performing these tasks. And what is the first task? So the name is tag deploy for web server. You can call it anything. So first task is copy index.html to destination of var www.html, and in this case my destination servers are of course the web servers group. And the tag I'm going to, this is how you define the tag, and you can see it's coming just under this name. And the tag's name is, you can call it anything, just give it 2 spaces, then dash space and the tag name. I am calling it apache-file. Also, I have another task, and in this task, I'm going to deploy tag for DB. And what this tag, here's the tag name. First, let me show you. Remove HTTPD, and as the name suggests, I'm going to remove HTTPD from our DB group. Okay, and let me show you what we have in our DB group. So in DB group we have Draco, and in web servers group we have Raptor and T-Rex. Okay, so vim index.html, let me call it testing tags in Ansible and Apache file. Okay, this is going to be our first. Write and quit. And in our web servers, I'm going to remove any index.html. And you can see we don't have any index.html here, and also I'm going to remove from Raptor. All right, perfect. So now you will see the power of tags. So to run tags, we will use ansible-playbook-i for inventory, and of course we need to mention our tags.yml file. And this is how you define or give arguments for tags, --tags. And the tag I'm going to run is apache-file. So what this is going to do is it's going to only copy that index.html file, which I already have here, this one, into our web servers group. However, it's not going to do anything with Draco. So let me check if we have anything here. If we have our HTTPD. Okay, we don't have HTTPD, so let me install HTTPD here. Just to prove the point, sudo yum hyphen y install httpd. Okay, so now we have httpd here. We can see that. Okay, perfect. So let me take you back one more time to our tags file, YAML file. So again, because I'm going to use only tags for this Apache file, so it's going to run only this specific task, okay? It's not going to remove Apache from Draco because we are not going to mention these tags. This is the power of tags, and the tag name is remove HTTPD. We will take a look at in a moment. So let's run our tags apache-file. Press enter. Okay, if all goes good, here we have it. There are two changes and nothing changed in Draco. You can see it's in green in color. However, Raptor and T-Rex are in mustard color. So let's check now. Before there was no index.html, now we have it. And same goes for T-Rex, cat the content, and perfect testing tags in Ansible Apache file. However, what about Draco? Do we still have Apache? We should have actually, and perfect. So we still have Apache. Now what we are going to do is we are going to run only if we are going to make any changes. We are going to run tags for DB, but to make our point clear, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change something in index.html. So let's call it changed for Draco. That's just to differentiate our this HTML file, index.html. So this means that if this time we run the tag of remove HTTPD, and if this tag is successful, it's only going to make change in Draco, which is going to remove Apache and not to touch our web servers group. So this is the whole purpose of tags. So let's run it. Okay, and perfect. There are no changes for Raptor, T-Rex. However, there's a change for Draco. Perfect. So now this time, if I check rpm-query a HTTPD, Apache should be gone. Perfect. So we don't have Apache. However, here the index.html will reveal there is no change. See, this index.html is not changed, nor here, neither here nor here. Perfect. So in T-Rex and Raptor, no change, but Draco, we were successful in removing Apache. Perfect. So for this second demo, there's another example I have created to make you guys understand it in a good way. It's called tags2 .yaml, and what we are going to do, this is the same playbook actually up till this tag. You can see it's going to remove Apache if it's present, and this is going to install, like, copy index.html from source to destination. However, there's an addition, and it's going to be installing PHP on Raptor. So let's check if we have anything in Raptor. PHP-v, we don't have anything. Okay, we don't have PHP. We don't have anything. So there's no PHP in Raptor. And also, let's reinstall Apache in our Draco, just to prove our point. Okay, and now what we are going to do is we are going to run this install PHP tag. So what it's going to do, let's check if we have PHP in Draco as well. PHP-v, we do have, and let me remove it. So you can see that we don't have PHP here. So if we run this tag, this means it's only going to install PHP in Raptor, and it's not going to touch Draco or our T-Rex. Do we have PHP here? We don't have it. Anyway. Okay, perfect. So the tag name is install.php, and it's not only going to install PHP, it's going to install php-cli, php-soap, all these packages. So perfect, install that -php. Let's run this. And this time it's tags.-2 and php-install. Okay, it has not changed anything. -tags php install, or it was install-php, I think. Yeah, install-php. Yeah, it was install-php, and now you can see that there was a change in Raptor. However, there is no changes in Draco and T-Rex. This means that php-v, we don't have any PHP in our T-Rex. php-v, we don't have PHP in our Draco. However, this time if we use php-v, we will have PHP in our Raptor. Perfect. So this is how tags work in Ansible, and I hope you guys have a better understanding. And thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my channel, like me on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, and please share the video with your friends and family. Till our next video, goodbye and God bless.